All investors look for a simple and convenient way to secure their financial future and protect their loved ones. A single premium endowment plan is a type of life insurance policy that offers both protection and savings benefit in a single premium payment. This type of plan seems convenient, but will it be a suitable investment option to achieve your milestone? This video reviews LIC Bima Bachat to check whether this plan will be a good decision to reap the reward of both savings and protection. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Bima Bachat is a participating non-linked life assurance savings cum protection plan where the premium is paid in a lump sum at the outset of the policy. Policy term 9, 12 or 15 years. Premium is returned at maturity. Loyalty addition boosts your maturity value. Now let us look at the benefits in detail. Death benefit. On death during the first 5 policy years, sum assured on death is payable. On death after completion of 5 years, sum assured on death along with loyalty addition is payable, where the sum assured on death is defined as higher of 1.25 times of single premium or basic sum assured. Next, survival benefit, 15% of basic sum assured is payable for policy term 9 years at the end of 3rd and 6th policy year, for policy term 12 years at the end of 3rd, 6th and 9th policy year, for policy term 15 years at the end of 3rd, 6th, 9th and 12th policy year. Maturity benefit, single premium paid is returned as maturity benefit along with loyalty additions. Loyalty addition, the loyalty addition if any shall be payable on death or maturity after completion of 5 years. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Bima Bachat. Advantages, loan facility is available, option to receive the death benefit in installment, 2 rider options are available, option to take the maturity benefit in installment under the settlement option, rebate for high sum assured. Next, disadvantages, the loyalty additions start accruing after the end of 5th policy year and it is a non-guaranteed benefit. The survival benefit will not aid you in meeting any big ticket expenses. The policy returns the premium paid without considering the time value of money. In general, a money back policy pays the full sum assured, that is 100% through 3 to 4 installment, but here only a part of sum assured is paid. 30 to 60% of sum assured is paid as survival benefit. Now we need to assess the plan in terms of returns. Calculating the internal rate of return of policy gives you better clarity and you can make a decision on whether to invest in this plan or not. A 35-year-old male opts for LIC a new Bima Bachat plan for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs. The policy term is 9 years and the premium amount is 3,54,982. For the sake of explanation with the illustration, it is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the term of the policy will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum. He receives the survival benefit of rupees 75,000 twice. The final maturity value varies due to the non-guaranteed benefit. Under 4% scenario, he receives 3.54 lakhs as maturity benefit and the IRR calculation results in 4.68%. Under 8% scenario, he receives 4.04 lakhs as maturity benefit and the IRR calculation results in 6.02%. The returns from LIC new Bima Bachat are lower than what you could earn from a debt instrument such as bond or fixed deposit. So it may not be the most financially prudent choice for you. Endowment plans typically combine life insurance with savings and therefore they result in lower returns compared to other investment options. It is vital to thoroughly analyze your financial goals and your willingness to take risk. If your primary objective is wealth accumulation, you should consider alternate investment options that can offer higher returns. What could be the alternate option? Let us look in detail. LIC new Bima Bachat is a single premium policy. Let us split the single premium into 3 buckets. One for life cover, the second one to meet the survival benefit and the third one to match the final maturity value. First bucket, a pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs would cost 13,200 single premium. The policy term is 9 years. Second bucket, for survival benefit, let us invest 1.11 lakhs for 7 years under a 7% return instrument. From this investment, you can withdraw 75,000 twice, similar to LIC new Bima Bachat. The 7% return investment amount is calculated in such a way that the balance will become nil after withdrawing all survival benefit. Finally, the third bucket, the amount left for equity investment is 2.3 lakhs, which is invested in the ELSS fund for 9 years. The final maturity value is subject to capital gains tax. Tax calculations are given here. The pre-tax value of equity investment is 6.39 lakhs. The post-tax value is 6.08 lakhs. The IRR calculation for pure term insurance plus ELSS investment results in 10.07%. This rate comfortably beats inflation. This alternate option fulfills all the requirements. namely life cover, survival benefit, and maturity benefit, which are similar to LIC new Bima budget. At the same time, the return is higher than LIC new Bima budget. Here is our final verdict on LIC new Bima budget. With this plan, you can make one-time lump sum payment, and in return, the insurance company provides survival benefit and maturity benefit if the policyholder survives, or death benefit to the beneficiary. The major drawback is that the policyholder receives a part of the sum assured as survival benefit, whereas other money back policies in the market offer survival benefit in part payments, and the summation of survival benefit is equal to 100% of sum assured. Investing in LIC new Bima budget is not a good choice as the return on investment is poor. Alternatively, calculate the required life cover for yourself and opt for a pure term life insurance policy. Pure term policies offer high cover at an affordable premium. This will protect your financial plan. Before deciding on any investment, it is important to assess your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. Diversifying your investment across different asset classes can help spread risk and potentially enhance returns. Consulting a certified financial planner is advisable to make informed decisions tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. A detailed review of LIC Bima budget is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.